What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you so much for tuning in. It's me, Mikey Pipes. We are deep inside Queens. We are at the corner of Liberty Avenue and Sheridan. We're in Woodhaven. We're going to Woodhaven. And a little bit outside our normal territory, but they're paying a little extra. It's all good. Sunday morning. I'm leading by example. We are very busy at the Pipe Doctor New York location, where I needed to run for 4 service calls today. And especially since the other Mike, the family just had to put his father into hospice. He's unfortunately, his time has come. So thoughts and prayers to the other Mike, his father, and Mike's extended family. Happy Denali? What does that say? Happy Diwali? Okay, we have a residential customer, got a gas-fired boiler, 3 zones, we're changing to 1, but regardless, he's got no heat. So I hope he's got enough money in his wallet. Let's go see what's going on. All right, tell me what's going on here. Hi, good morning.
So far we don't have the boiler. It's not working.
Boiler's not working? What have you done?
What
have you tried to do?
Well, how are you? This has happened a long time ago. Like somebody put the boiler, and for some reason, you see the system like 3 thermostat.
Yes.
But the person came, bought it or whatever. He put just 1 thermostat for the whole house.
Oh, really?
So, yeah, it's crazy. I don't know why.
So you had 3 zones.
And he connected only 1.
When you put the boiler in, or like in a repair?
In the repair.
Oh, so you had no heat, and then someone only made 1 zone for you, and now nothing turns on at all.
Correct.
Nothing turns on.
No. Well, the boiler starts. Now it's off. But I think the
Pilot's out?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see. Thank you. All right, so let's do a quick little overview here on our gas ignition system. Here's our 3/4 inch gas pipe coming in. We have a 3/4 by 1/2 inch reducing 90, and we have our 24 volt standing pilot gas control valve. Out of the gas control valve, the outlet side feeds the gas manifold with 3.5 inches of pressure, water column pressure. We have 2 wires going into it. One's carrying voltage. One will be common or ground. Common, right? So when the safety circuit is complete, 24 volts go to the gas valve, and as long as the pilot is on, the system ignites. Leaving the gas valve is our pilot tubing. This carries gas to the pilot burner, and our copperish looking tube there, that's called the thermocouple, and look a little crusty there.
I think that piece is out too.
Is it possible that it was possibly submerged underwater, or it got wet, or
not really?
No. Okay.
So. Yeah.
Okay. All right. Let's turn the power off.
Let me turn it to the on switch.
Oh, okay.
I was hoping that maybe that was the reason why nothing was working, was the power switch was off the top of the stairs. So let's just. Okay, so I just turned off the switch. We heard the relays power a circulator or circulators. So let's take a peek in here. See if we have a pilot. And we have no pilot. All right, no pilot. So let's light pilot. All right, so I'm going to light this piece of wick. I'm going to push down the gas valve. Go to 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 the gas valve. The camera. The camera. Go to the gas valve. Hold that down. Now we lit the pilot. Now I got my finger on the plunger of the gas valve. I have the black knob set the pot. Oh, damn it! Oh, it stayed on for that split second. You saw that? All right. So there's the pilot. And right now, let me tell you what we're doing. I am holding open the valve inside the gas control valve that is feeding natural gas to the pilot burner.
through that silver looking tube. Once enough electricity is generated by that flame, and that small electrical charge travels across the capillary tube, or this copperish looking tube, it's going to create enough power where it's going to hold open the magnet that's right now I'm pushing open. And when I let go of this, if that pilot stays on, we're good. It looks like it was going out. Let's try that again. Yep. So this could be one of a couple things that is wrong. Number one, the thermal couple is defective and no longer doing what it's supposed to, or the gas valve is bad. So when I let go of this again, which has been about a minute, that pilot should stay on. And it slowly goes out. And because that's very weird that it's slowly going out like that, I'm going to venture to say there's probably something wrong with this gas valve. Because it should not take that long, right, for the gas valve pilot to turn off. It's still on. You can see that. Look, I'm going to push down the plunger. Look at that. It's crazy. And I hope for his guy's sake he does not need a new gas valve today, because it's going to be an expensive ordeal for him. Let's go get a tool bag from the truck and a new pilot flame sensor, aka thermocouple. All right, I got a couple of the burners out. We have some debris at the bottom of this boiler. Let's see if I could just get my... of course not. I'm going to take my open box wrench or open flare wrench. It's got 3/8 and 7/16. I'm going to loosen up, by the way, which is perfect for the pilot tubing on the gas side and the thermocouple on these gas control valves. So I'm going to take this out. I want to be able to take that whole burner tube out and make sure it's clear of any debris. And we're going to see, really on there, pretty damn tight. Wow, someone didn't know what they were doing here, and I hope they didn't get, wow, this is actually very tight. Hope they didn't cross thread this. Man. Someone who didn't know what they were doing put that in there. Wow. I think someone effed it up. What? Nah, I'm gonna take a picture of it shortly. I just want to get this out of the way there, and let's take a couple more burners out. I'm gonna take that thermocouple out of there. Let's see if I could, let's see if I can do it just like that, maybe. Oh, look at that. Perfect. I got a feeling that someone's gonna need a new gas valve today on a Sunday. But we're charging our regular retail rates as it is during the week. Wow, she is swollen.
It's crusty.
Yeah, she's a crusty one, Mama. All right, let's get that little piece in there.
You guys want coffee? I'm good, thank you. Good? Yeah. Pipe doctor.
No, I'm good, sir. Thank you. You're driving me crazy. Get out of there. I'm pissed. I'm taking everything out of here now. That stupid piece. Get out of there. That little piece, I want it out of there. Alright, new thermocouple's in place. We're gonna see if that pilot stays on.
What do you think, Al? You guys gonna work? What do you think?
I have faith in you.
Not in me. I don't determine if the gas valve is good or bad. I make the determination, but I don't make that. Let's see. Holding down for about 20 seconds now. Okay. Dump, dump, dump. Oh, fuck. Yeah. Give it another. Yeah. I know. I know. Let's see. All right. Here we go again. Nope. Yeah, she's still staying on, but actually, it's much more than it was before. That's weird. That is weird. All right, so our pilot has disappeared. I hold that down. Let's just see something here. Watch this. Listen to that gas valve. It's getting power. Right, but that pilot valve, she closed. She's done. Gas valve shot. All right. New gas valve is going in right now. Sometimes you just got to use the big giant channel lock one-handedly. Let's get that into position. Beautiful. Let's hook up our 24-volt control wire to the new gas valve. That's gonna go in to there, and now it'll spin in freely in there. And we'll do our incoming gas from the union that we separated. All right, the new valve is in. Before I connected the pilot tubing, I held down the plunger to purge all the air out of the gas piping from the union down, or from the gas cock down. Now I'm using that same open-ended box wrench. There's a link in the description box down below. You can get this on Amazon for like 10 bucks. If you work on gas tubing, pilot gas systems, this is perfect because it does the thermocouple and the gas for the pilot burner tubing. Let's hold this down for a hot minute. Let's get the lighter, relight this, and get the show on the road. All right, there's that flame. Too soon. All right. Too soon. Too soon. Too soon. If you let it go for that split second, you'll keep it on. Okay, we're gonna wait. Okay. Now, we just need that thing to turn on. Because
Where you guys are from? Still
yeah, Valley Stream, Woodmere. Yeah.
Valley Stream, right?
One of those days here now. Our pilot is out. We got a nice, beautiful blue flame. All right. There's our Aquastat relay. There's a
High limit manual reset. Let's see what happens here. I'm gonna open that up. But that is not telling this to turn on. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for tuning in and watching this quick little video. There's a lot more that went on behind the scenes and also on the next video when we troubleshoot the thermostat and the electrical wiring at the 3-zone switching relay at our Argo box. The service call is scheduled for 2 weeks from Tuesday coming up, so check it out. Make sure you smash that thumbs up button, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to get post notifications when I drop a video. Catch you on the next one. Be well, God bless, stay safe.